Imagine a world where the concept of nothing doesn't exist. Sounds strange, doesn't it? That, my friends, was the reality for many ancient civilizations. The concept of zero, as we know it, was a revolutionary invention in the mathematical world, and it has a history as fascinating as any. To kick things off, did you know that the word zero has its roots in the Arabic word cipher? It's true. The Arabs were among the first to fully utilize zero in their numerical system, and it's from their language that we get the word we use today. But the journey of zero starts much earlier. The concept of zero, or a placeholder for nothing, existed in ancient Babylon as far back as the 3rd millennium BC. But it was not a numeral in its own right, rather, it acted as a spaceholder, so that the numbers 101,000, for example, would not be confused. Fast forward to the 5th century AD, and we find ourselves in India, where the mathematician and astronomer Brahmagupta became one of the first to provide rules for arithmetic involving zero. This was a major step forward in the development of mathematics. Despite its usefulness, zero wasn't readily accepted everywhere. In Europe, the Roman numeral system was the standard, and it had no need for a zero. It wasn't until the 12th century that zero made its way to Europe, thanks to the Italian mathematician Fibonacci. Now, let's switch gears a bit and delve into the philosophical side of zero. In Buddhism, zero represents the concept of sunyata, or emptiness. This is the idea that all things are interconnected and interdependent, and that nothing exists independently. Meanwhile, in the world of physics, zero plays a crucial role. It is the freezing point in the Celsius scale, and the speed at which objects at rest stay at rest, according to Newton's first law of motion. Let's not forget about zero's role in computer science. In binary code, the language of computers, 0 and 1 are the stars of the show. Without zero, our modern digital world would cease to exist. Now we've covered a lot of ground, but there's one more fascinating tidbit about zero. It's the only number that cannot be represented in Roman numerals. Can you imagine a world without zero? The Romans certainly did. So there you have it, the journey of zero, from ancient placeholders to the heart of modern technology. It's quite the tale, isn't it? This humble digit, representing nothing, has had a profound influence on mathematics, philosophy, science, and technology. And that leaves us with a question to ponder. If zero represents nothingness, how is it that it has come to mean so much in our world? Leave your thoughts in the comments.